Cessna. Additional traffic, right base for runway 11
Maintain that
right.
all the way down.
Cirrus. Taxiway Delta, cleared for the option. Then make right, close traffic.
Pass behind the Cessna.
Look how much nicer that was. Yep, boom, just keep it in, don't let it out.
Copter 1430 Delta.
Okay. Eyes down the runway.
Metro Tower, Cessna 201 Tango Hotel at 11 left, ready for takeoff in sequence.
All right, there you go. Hold it.
Mr. 201 Tango Hotel, Metro Tower number 2 for departure.
Wow, that's what I'm looking
2 for departure, 1 Tango Hotel.
Man, if you can do that every time.
Mr. 5 Delta Mike, not
But
receiving
you can't do it every time. But it be a happy guy. I'd be happy to, not every time. Close, I mean.
5 Delta Mike.
That was much better. Much better.
Archer 0 at Kilo traffic, you'll be following now. Is it heading to your right crosswind, turning down when a Cessna Tour 1 moving to 2 o'clock?
Traffic is inside. We'd like to make this one a full stop.